Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to approach the critical late game phase in Dota 2. This stage demands precise execution and strong team synergy to secure victory. We will cover essential strategies to dominate your opponents and close out matches effectively. Mastering this final act is key to consistent success. During this crucial phase, securing objectives is paramount. Roshan, for instance, grants the Aegis of Immortality, a powerful advantage for pushing high ground. Focus on destroying enemy structures, especially barracks, to weaken their base defenses. Maintaining superior vision across the map is also vital for anticipating enemy movements. Team fights in the late game are often decisive. Proper positioning is crucial. Ensure your carries are safe while your initiators engage. Identify and eliminate key enemy heroes quickly to gain an advantage. Coordinate your spell usage with your teammates for devastating combinations, turning the tide of battle in your favor. To secure victory, a well-executed final push is essential. Gather your team and advance on the enemy's ancient, utilizing any advantages you have gained. Be mindful of enemy buybacks and save your own for crucial moments. Avoid overextending or taking risky engagements that could throw away your lead.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.